In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your Gboard's theme. First, just launch your Gboard and click on gear icon at the top of it. Then select theme section available here. Now you have two options. You can either tap on those icons at the top right corners of those categories, like colors, and this way see all available themes. Tap on the best one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and then apply it thanks to the apply button at the bottom right corner. Or you can customize it. To do it, go back to the same section of your settings and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now, you need to tap on the photo you wanna apply as your new Gboard's background, hit Done at the bottom right corner and continue. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, hit Done, manage key borders and hit Apply. Then go back to check it out. Wherever you decided, all of your themes, custom ones and downloaded ones will be located under My Themes. Now, to get rid of the clutter, you can always delete your downloaded ones by tapping on the chosen one and using this bin. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up, and if you ever want to, just download it the same way. And hit Apply to get it. Now, when it comes to your custom themes, if you delete one, you can do that the same way. It will be gone unless you will remake it, but it won't be backed up anywhere. So make sure of your choice if you are deleting custom themes. But you can always edit one of your custom ones by tapping on this pen instead of bin icon and making all of your changes you want to. Make sure to hit Apply and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!